why aren't you wearing your shirt, Jess? Because I'm getting dirty as hell. My shirt's up there in the closet. Whew. I tell you, they messed this apartment up. Knocked down my first coat here. Oh, we need to spend it on Friday. Fuck. Okay. No problem. I mean, just me, you know. That's kind of good. Yeah, that's good. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And these are textured walls. Look, you should be putting down a drop cloth. This carpet's getting replaced, guys. I don't care about the carpet. In a minute, it's gonna have paint all around it, so I'm not really worried about that. Get that one over here. I'm gonna come back here in a second. Another reason I clean out the P-tax because all this dust is getting sucked in here. I can see it going like right into there. So, oh, that's nice. Well, that's for the second coat. Just push that in a little bit. I had some sheetrock tape. There, I might do the same thing with this one, just to get it so it doesn't bulge out so much. There we go. Yeah, see? Now I'm gonna build up a layer on that. Just got a piece of tape. Here's some of that sheetrock tape. I'm gonna feather this out. It'll be alright. And then there's a whole bunch of little nail holes and banged up, dinged up corners. This one chipped a little bit. Not too bad. I'm not gonna worry about it. This one, the whole thing had to be like redone. As you can see, there's big flakes down there. Got some stuff going on down there. I was flaking off. Big old dent right here, which just settled in. So when I do my second coat for those, I might put that just to sharpen the corner up. Do what I can do. D-line the toilet. And it had lime in it. 112 turned out pretty good. As you can see, the carpet is just a disaster, so it's getting replaced, obviously. I got new bifold doors on order. Looks like most of these people, because 3 of the 6 turns I've already done. This is my 7th one. So 4 don't even have closet doors. They don't even want them. Like, because there's something that the person has to manipulate, and it gets confusing. They break it and stuff like that. So today, the first part of the day, I carpet cleaned. The entire freaking building. The entire building, guys. So, but I'm just gonna go around, knock these down a little bit, and maybe if I get my wall texture, my orange peel texture, we'll just texture in over some of the stuff. These two, this hole and this hole, definitely need a second coat. Now that they're dents instead of holes, I just pushed them in with my finger. That way I get some more strength on them. I already knew they're gonna need a second coat, so whatever. So, and knock these down, knock all this stuff down, and then I'll be getting my paint roller and rolling some paint. These, I have to paint this wall up to that corner green. This wall up to the sink in the corner, and under the sink, and up into that corner right here. So I don't know, guys, having the time of my life. Look at me. Well, like I've been like playing in a coke bed or something. I don't know. Small little apartment. It's not too much to do. But since I have a phone call and I might need to answer that, I'll see y'all on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back after the show. It's the after party. So basically, I just use this Homex wall texture knockdown. Well, it should be orange peel, because I don't know if y'all can see the texture. These walls are textured. See that? That's called orange peel right there. I'm trying to keep my shadow out of as best as I can, but there you go. So basically, take a little can, spray, and sheetrock mud comes out of it. If you've never used this stuff before, I went a little heavy on here, but I don't care. I'll knock it down with sandpaper if I need to or whatnot. They were worried about that, you know, these big holes especially. You want to put back the texture, and you don't even really have to sand after you paint. I did the first coat yesterday, and today I put on a second coat. A real slight sanding on this, and then I'll just hit it like this. This one's like almost dry, but I'll hit it with this, and I'll give you a quick demonstration here on this wall right here, because I gotta paint all this crap anyway. But just stand far back, like this is literally, I don't know, 18 inches. And just go side to side. You can get closer for more density or whatever you want. There you go. And when that dries, it should have somewhat of a texture to it, mimicking kind of a knockdown, apparently, or a orange peel, like this. But it does mimic orange peel pretty good still. I mean, so I just want to cover up where I patched, and that's obviously where I patched, and two little guys there, and I just went like that. So pretty good stuff if you don't want to have to sand after you paint. I mean, you still have to sand, but if you don't want to really get it a smooth surface, like these corners and stuff, these busted up corners. So guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and staying for the other part of the show where Jeff the Maintenance Man is. And just hot. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. No, I'm not wearing my shirt anymore. Why not? This is dirty work, man. My uniform needs to stay clean for when I'm grading people and stuff like that. So I wear an undershirt, get this shirt dirty, put that shirt on top. That's the way you do it. that's a tech tip for all you guys. Anyway, just doing a unit turn. That's about it. I'm sorry I haven't been releasing that many videos. There's no exciting AAON units or anything like that, but if y'all want to know how to install bifold doors, maybe I can make a video of that if I don't get interrupted. I got two doors coming for this unit here. This closet here, and I'm gonna take this off, this door, and there should be a door track under there. If there's not, there's definitely a gap for me to put one, and then hopefully I can make two 24-inch bifold doors, which always come half an inch shorter, guys. Half an inch shorter and an inch shorter than height, because you can adjust the height. You can't adjust the width, but I'm standing right now, as we say, 47.5 absolute. From here to here is absolutely 47.5 inches. There's not a 32nd inch, nothing. I just ordered two 24, that's 48 inches. Now remember, they come half an inch shorter each door, so that should take off an inch, right? Last time I ordered these doors, they were exactly freaking 48 inches, and that was my absolute. So that was a nightmare to put them in, because they put these baseboards and stuff in here, and I'll tell you, when they pivot, thank God they used like a more acute angle. I guess that's a 45, but yeah, it's a freaking nightmare. But y'all get to see that hopefully soon, me installing some bifold doors. Until then, guys, I'm just the Maintenance Man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one, and you guys know what to do. Always stay safe.